everybody, welcome back to the channel. The Benjamins right here, and today guys I've got a surprise for my boys. So we're in December, everybody's just in festive season. Unfortunately this side we don't have snow, but we do have some places that I really wish I can take the boys in this month before the end of this year. So today I thought it would be really good if I can surprise the boys with the waterfall. Like, even myself, I've never been in a waterfall or at a waterfall park or anything like that. So it's both the boys and me going to experience this adventure, and I really hope it's up to the standard that they said. So this place is like 15 to 20 minutes from where we are. I haven't told the boys that we're going anywhere. I'm just acting as if everything is fine. I'm just going to tell them to prepare, and I just snoop around and then we go. So I'm just going to show you guys when they're done dressing, and then next it will be their destination. So stay tuned for more of these vlogs, because this December I'm planning on putting more, videos and all that. So stay tuned for more content, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video, and just share with your friends. Tell them that they are the Benjamins here, and just comment down below. Toodles. God, guys, if you're gonna come to this place, definitely do not come over the weekend. This place is fully packed. I don't even know where to start from or where to go, but it looks nice. I think if it's not too packed. Hey guys, it's the next day, and yesterday we really enjoyed. I'm coming from church, it's hot, it's sweaty, I'm sweating, my makeup is messed up, but anyway, we just enjoyed this today. Though we had a problem with the fact that the time I arrived there, I withdrew my money from my cards, left my cards at home, only to find out that you need card to pay instead of cash. But overall I think we enjoyed. The only problem was my son, and the thing for paying. Yeah, my son was now tired, he was crying, he was really grumpy, he wanted to take a nap, he didn't want anything more to do with swimming or jumping castle or anything. But he ended up being fine because he took a nap, woke up feeling much better and refreshed. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tell me what you want to see next. Love you guys. Keep Jesus in your heart.